Hello everyone. Today, we will take a look at the DIY proof of concept project Simple IR Control Relay Switch, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. The link to the project is in the description of this video. Have you ever considered how your TV remote can turn things on and off without wires? That's exactly what an IR remote switch does. Today, we'll make a project that lets you use any regular remote to control electrical appliances with just the press of a button. No need to get up. This project works with IR technology. Your remote acts as an IR transmitter, and the circuit we build will have an IR receiver to detect the signals. This project can be made by electronics hobbyists, students, and DIY enthusiasts with a basic knowledge of circuits. It is suitable for those interested in home automation and learning how IR-based switching works. Beginners can follow the step-by-step instructions, while those with experience can modify or improve the design. Ready to find out how it works? This is our setup. We are taking our AC remote for a demonstration. When you press the on-off button, the buzzer turns on and off. Amazing, right? But how to make this? You can make this with very few components. Let's take a look. The TSOP1738IR receiver module detects infrared signals from the remote control and converts them into an electrical signal. IC4027, a dual JK flip-flop IC, acts as the core of the circuit. It toggles its output state when it receives a signal, controlling the switching action. BC558 PNP transistors work as switching components to amplify and control the circuit signals. 5-volt SPDT relay acts as an electrically operated switch that controls the appliance by turning it on or off. 1N4001 diode protects the circuit from voltage spikes caused by the relay switching on and off. A buzzer in the prototype represents an electric appliance. Resistors limit current flow to protect the components and ensure proper signal processing. Capacitors help stabilize voltage and filter unwanted noise from the power supply. Apart from these, a breadboard and a few jumper wires are used. To assemble the circuit, follow the circuit diagram. Arrange all the components, including IR receiver module, flip-flop IC, PNP transistors, relay, diode, LED, resistors, and capacitors on the breadboard. Follow the circuit diagram to assemble the circuit. Once the circuit is assembled, power up the circuit and take a remote control to turn on and off the electric appliance or LED in this case. Voila! It works. What did you learn? Learned how a JK flip-flop circuit helps toggle the relay. Understood the role of an IR transmitter and receiver. Interested in developing your own simple IR control relay switch system? Then click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.